Hello, I'm Dr. Shambhavi Chandraiah, Director of the Psychiatry Residency Program at East Tennessee State University, Quillen College of Medicine. I'm delighted that you're interested in learning more about our program. We are a medium-sized university program with 7 residents per year. Our 2 major partners are the Veterans Administration Medical Center and the private Ballard Hospital System. There are some particular aspects of our program I would like to highlight. Beyond ETSU Health Psychiatry Clinic, we also have consultation clinics on ETSU's main campus with the Nurse Practitioner Program and the Psychology Clinic, as well as Community Mental Health Center experience with underserved populations. Additional varied electives include ECT, pain medicine, sleep, and palliative care. We have outpatient family medicine and inpatient general internal medicine rotations as primary care experiences for interns. 2.5 years of psychotherapy training include psychodynamic, supportive, and CBT with different supervisors and both individual and group supervision. Residents have the opportunity to refine their presentation skills sequentially by doing chair rounds, M&M presentations, grand rounds, and in the final year, a presentation at a national meeting, which is also partly funded. All residents have teaching opportunities with medical students and junior residents in the clinical setting of wards or clinics. PGY4s also teach the basic psychopharmacology course for interns and give lectures on selected psychiatry topics for the internal medicine program. Leadership opportunities include the chief resident role, as well as elected positions in committees like the Graduate Medical Education and Wellness Committee, as well as in junior attending team leader roles in hospital settings. Weekly resident council with all residents and the PD and staff allows discussion of any upcoming changes or any concerns. The annual Education Day brings together faculty and residents to focus on innovative ways to problem solve and improve the program. We have a 1-to-1 faculty to resident ratio, including confidential individual mentorship for each resident with a faculty member to explore career goals and assist with any problems and other things of that nature. One of the strengths of our program is a resident camaraderie, as residents support and mentor each other, becoming for many an extended family throughout their time with us. We also enjoy doing fun activities as resident only or faculty and resident, like hiking, spelunking, ropes course, yoga, and of course, get-togethers around food. ETSU has a huge activity center and offers group classes from ballroom dancing to martial arts, as well as a climbing wall, pool, guided backpacking, and camping activities. We live in a gorgeous area of Northeast Tennessee in the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains, which is an outdoor enthusiast dream that can be enjoyed in all 4 seasons. This is just a little overview of our program, and we hope if you want to know more, you will look at our website, the various links, or reach out with any questions. Be excited to have you join our residency family.